All right, JC on the mic together with Coach Monel, who is telling the committee to keep it quiet. Coach, a lot of changes for this team, from players, of course, to yourself, but some things stay the same. Team Tabaco again in the finals here at the ECL. Pwede mo bang ma-describe sa amin ang make-up nitong team na to this year, Coach? And bakit sa tingin mo na ang Team Tabaco ang mananalo this year again sa ECL?
Yung composition na ito, part ako, konti lang.
Yeah.
Ako baga, Perme, balik-balik, Manila,
Oo.
Tabaco. So, itinaw ko kay Coach Obet.
Yeah.
Siya talaga nag-take charge. But still, ano yan, consensus kang boss na. Ano.
Yeah.
So, sabi nila may nawara na duwang player o tulo. Pero still, iyo mang diraray so composition kan team. Nagbago lang kami kay sarong big man, mula sarong wing.
Yeah.
Then, another point guard from Kinastillohan. Si USK chairman nila si Sabando.
Yeah.
Which is very smart man magkawat. Okay.
We saw that, yeah. Player of the game the last time against Malilipot.
Siyempre, defending champion to. And almost the same naman yung lineup. Diba?
Yeah.
Almost the same naman yung
Paging
lineup.
tabi.
Nagdagdag lang kita kay mga
Ready.
ang pwedeng makatabang pa
Yeah.
para makuha may
Pagkakatabi
ining championship.
kang kit din daw.
Now, Coach,
Mid-kit.
this team
Si
Bakakay,
Diarano.
the same team that last year's version of Team Tabaco faced here in the
Paging
championship
pa sa
round, but
Diarano.
of course, they too have improved a
Maghanap
lot
po
this
kami,
year.
mid-kit din na
After losing to you guys in the opening game of this year's ECL, 5 straight wins sa kanila. They're in the rhythm. They have the momentum. Ano ang nailing mo in their past games na anong dapat gwardiyahan ngunyan kan Team Tabaco here in game 1?
Ako, sabi ko nga, dahil taman madidepensahan ka, boss. Pero,
Yeah.
so, piga-asahan nila, we have to limit those players
I see.
na inaasahan nila.
Yeah.
Then, sabi ko nga, same composition, and besides, wala ako kang first game.
Yeah.
So, sabi ko sa inda, just enjoy the game, play your game, enjoy. Yan lang naman ang permi kong pagkatarap sa inyo. We're not really unorganized. Pareho kan mga eskwelahan, mga commercial
Yes, correct.
team na they practice every
Halos
day.
every day, yeah.
Oo. Kami, karamihan digdip, may trabaho eh.
Correct.
So, pag nagpa-practice kami, minsan kulang. But still, siyempre, so puso ninda. So, pride as
Yeah.
a tabakenyo. Yaon. Kaya, dahil man ako nag-worry na, dahil may
Yeah.
daog ining Bakakay. Which is, grabe ang ninda. Ang improvement
Yeah.
sa indang lineup.
Absolutely. Now, Coach, this is a best of 3-game series. Game 1, obviously here at home in Tabaco. Tell me, how important is it for you and your whole team to win here at home in Game 1?
Actually, syempre, defending champion ang team eh. So,
Correct.
with the help of the fans,
Yeah.
mga taga-Tabaco,
Yeah.
definitely maggana ini.
Yeah.
Ako, piga-assure ko kamo na gana ini.
There you go.
Because of the fans.
There you go. Thank you so much, Coach
Okay
Morel.
po.
Good luck tonight. Thank you po, Coach.